considerations. Can you think of any other ones that might affect you at a job?
Maybe whiteout.
Yeah, the whiteout. So those temperature extremes, or if you accidentally pointed at something really, really hot, it sort of casts it. Yeah. Which is about the whiteout, which kind of relates to this one here, in that you need to use your proper search and rescue techniques when you're going into a job, just in case the tick wipes out, so don't rely on it. So we'll just go over these points once more before we go on to our final exercise. Firstly, it's not intrinsically safe, so ideally you don't, well, not ideally, you don't want to use it in flammable environments. Shiny surfaces are going to reflect, so effectively, if you're shining it at a window, you're going to see what's behind you, or even yourself, rather than what's beyond that window. Use proper search and rescue techniques, just in case something happens to the tick. Don't rely on it to get you out of trouble, rely on yourself. The battery life, as we spoke when we're going over the tick physically, is affected by conditions. So temperature extremes up and down are going to affect the battery life. Insulated sandwich panels, i.e., well, an example is that Primo fire, they're less effective in detecting fires in those insulated sandwich panels. And 6, whiteout. So if you're pointing it at something really hot, or it's working in an environment where it just can't operate anymore, the tick's just going to say no. Okay, so to finish off, we might just do an exercise where we're going to get the tick operating. I'm going to ask Scotty to start off, and then Sam will have a go on that, but Scotty's going to be the guinea pig. I'll just ask you to do some operations that we've covered already.
Sure.
And then Sam will have a go at that. Okay, but Sam's is obviously going to be a bit easier than yours. So first, could you remove the battery, Scott, and replace it? Excellent. Now, what we want to do is switch it on.
1 second.
That's good. Yeah, 1 second. You had the blue light just going, just while it was loading up, and now you've got the solid green one just saying that it's on.
Yeah.
Put it on standby now. One again, so you've got the flashing green light.
Yeah.
Excellent. Switch it back on.
This one.
So now you have the image, the
Yeah.
thermal image, and the solid green light. Just, can you tell me the status of the battery, Scott?
It's good.
It's good. So green light, which
yeah.
means it's full.
It's full.
Okay. Now what I'm going to ask you to do, I have 2 cups here, Scott. One's with warm water and one's with cold water. Can you identify which is which? And just tell me the temperatures.
Alright, so the furthest cup is dark in this, and it's 19 degrees.
Sweet.
18 even.
Yeah.
The other one's glowing.
Right, so that's cold and that's warm.
That's right. And that's 40 degrees.
40 degrees. Sweet.
Yeah.
Now what we're going to do is just a quick exercise in determining volumes. So if we're at a tanker spill or something like that,
Yeah.
we can find out how much fluid is left in these containers. So there's fluid in this and there's fluid in this. Now, can you see the fluid level in this detergent?
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
So I'm going to slowly go up with the pen, and you tell me when I've reached the level. Yep, just there. Excellent. We're going to do the same with this one. Can you see the level here, Scott?
Yeah,
Yep.
you're right.
Same. Yeah, I had it. Oh,
No, keep going.
yep, I'll go up again.
Stop.
Excellent. No worries. Now, what I'm just going to get you to do, just to illustrate this safety consideration with the shiny surfaces, I'm just going to get you to stand up and point the tick at the window behind you, Scott. And just tell me what you see.
I see you. It's a big head. Myself.
Yeah. So
See
you're
Sam
seeing
down,
your
yeah.
reflection. That's
Yeah,
right.
the light. So everything hot is the light, fluorescent light, and us.
Yeah,
Nothing outside.
that's great. So what happens is the radiation reflects off the glass. So just so we have a glass window here, the infrared radiation from my head is going to hit the glass and come back. And if Sam's head's out here, it's going to hit the glass and come back as well. So that's just something you need to be aware of, because it can be very disconcerting in your job if you're pointing at glass.